What I'm going to talk about today is an effort related to a product that we call Tedlar. The growth in that market is like 30 to 70% per year. We're the only ones that make that product. It's critical to alternative energy. What we're doing is rapidly expanding and also looking at different technologies to try to do that in a way that's very cost effective. And that's what really led to our problem. We went from the one site that's been sitting there for 50 or 60 years making Tedlar to, as you're going to see here, this multivariable test involved 5 different sites in 5 different states. We brought in our best master black belts. We were doing all kind of experiments, but we still couldn't meet the spec. We were 3,000 defects after about 6 months of work. The screening MVT we got down, we reduced it by 75%. Still not within spec. The refining, we got 99% reduction. Some of the people that I work with in the Six Sigma group that I have tremendous respect for came and asked, why did I go to QualPro? And the first thing I would say is, have you ever run a test involving 5 different sites with 32 variables? And the answer is always no. Okay, that's why I did it, because I needed somebody with the power to do something like that. We avoided what would have been $5 or $10 million of capital investment. We've got a new site to supply the market. We can now get more solar cells out there. Increased capacity. This is a critical growth business for us. And it's also supporting the world's needs for alternative energy. We have a much greater understanding of our process today. We're getting return on the investment, and we've got another group of people that understand the power of MVT. It's worked every time I've tried it. Every time I've had a big problem, this is where I've turned.